welcome to beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. So this gorgeous home will be hitting the market this week. It is a new build home, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open floor plan, over 2,000 square feet. Great location, super close to the freeways. Just a great place to live. If you're thinking of moving to Phoenix, this could be a great option for you. Again, remember to subscribe, like, share with friends, share with family. Comment below if you want more info on this beautiful new build home, or if you want to see anything more like it. Let's take a walk in. So we're gonna start here. You do have an extra large driveway, fully paved. I'm guessing at least 6 cars will fit there. I know it's also a 2-car garage. Home was just built, so it is a 2025 home. So a new build home right here in a great location. Super hard to find. I'm sure most of you know. In this area in general, it's pretty much older homes, maybe a couple of extra lots available, and that's what we got here. A great location, a corner lot home, great area, and brand new. All right, so let's head on in. We also have the photos going on today. All right. So home was just completed, and as you can see, you have nice smooth walls, which is a great upgrade feature. This is one of the bedrooms, and it's a great size room. And again, this is a 4-bedroom. This one's split to the front of the house, and you have carpet in all the bedrooms. Tile throughout the main areas. Ceiling fan, new windows, new everything. Again, the home was just built in 2025, so everything is brand new, move-in ready, of course. A pretty amazing layout. Look at the height of those ceilings. All right, so this is one of the bathrooms. And as you can see, you have a tub shower combo, fully tiled, super pretty. Get a little closer here. So it's kind of, I would say, a grayish beige tone. So you get a little bit of browns, a little bit of tans, all in one. And again, everything is brand new. It's a new home. Get ready to call this bad boy yours right before summer hits. Well, hello, Mr. Assistant. Right here, it is a very large family room. So nice tall ceilings, lots of space right here, great natural lighting. I'm gonna try to walk this so you can see how deep of a living room you have. So again, this is a great size home, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, super tall ceilings, and open kitchen. Look at the size of this kitchen. The layout is wonderful. You have a lot of space. So again, this home right here is only at $425,000. It is ready for you to move your furniture in. You have a nice size pantry right here. Stainless steel appliances, all Frigidaire. Switch your freezer and your fridge. Then we're gonna come right over here. We do have electric stove, which is nice. And microwave. Let's see, they all open different. There we go. And you have a sliding glass door back here. So again, plenty of lighting, just enough lighting in the right place. Just want you to get the feel of how large this room feels. So this is where you could be having breakfast, doing dishes, chatting with the family, friends, neighbors, maybe all of them. Right here. So this is a wonderful home. That's your entry over there. The 1-bedroom, full bathroom, into the family room, into your kitchen. Now we'll head back here where you have your primary all by itself, which is wonderful. Another really large room. I'll try to show you how big this one is. I mean, the sizing in these rooms and the ceiling height, super nice. This home also has a Train air conditioner, and that's one of the best units you can buy in my opinion. Primary bathroom. So again, it's a pretty good sized room. And we will head this way to the secondary bedroom, another good sized room. And the third secondary. Again, they all have ceiling fans, all brand new, move-in ready home. Into the laundry. So this one does come with washer and dryer. Some more shelving. We'll head into the 2-car garage. Please. So we do have the 2-car garage in here. We're going to leave this area. Come this way. So you have a patio back here. Extra large yard, fully fenced in. I mean, there is plenty of room for you to do lots of fun things back here. Pool, outdoor living, sheds. Whatever your heart desires when you have a good sized lot here. And again, it's no HOA. So yeah, if you've liked this video, like what you've seen, you want more info, want to see more houses, please let me know. I would love to assist, love to help. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, brand new home out here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. Please feel free to reach on out.